This is David Vernon. David is awesome at heating and cooling your home.
Hello?
Yeah, is your refrigerator fully operational?
Is this a prank? Because if it is, you're doing it wrong. First off, it's supposed to be, is your refrigerator running? Running out the door, you better catch it. Is this your first prank phone call?
David Vernon. Awesome at heating and cooling.
Hey, if you got a minute, let me explain the whole Prince Albert in a can thing to you.
I gotta go.
Terrible at making a prank phone call. Sunset Heating, Cooling, and Electrical. Proud to be your Daikin Comfort Pro dealer.